Welcome back, everyone. In today's new video, we're checking out 5 incredible tools that can make your work faster, easier, and more efficient. Okay, let's get started. First up, Elikliv tape measuring tool. It combines a 16.4-foot digital tape, a powerful 328-foot laser measure, and a traditional retractable tape in one smart tool. With plus or minus 2mm accuracy, 6 measurement modes, automatic data recording, and a bright color display, you can measure distance, area, volume, and even complex angles with ease. The self-locking design makes one-person operation effortless, while the rechargeable battery delivers up to 6,000 measurements per charge. Whether you're a contractor, woodworker, plumber, or DIY enthusiast, the Elikliv tape measuring tool helps you measure faster, work smarter, and eliminate guesswork on every project. Ecarke car cleaning tool, a powerful cordless cleaning tool designed for quick, everyday jobs. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, it's perfect for cleaning cars, windows, patio furniture, and garden tools. Its compact design makes it easy to handle and ideal for fast touch-ups around your home or garage. Just remember, the battery is not included. You get the bare tool and accessories. While it's not designed for driveways or large area cleaning, the Ecarke car cleaning tool is a convenient choice when you need portable cleaning power exactly where you need it. Vise T-handle wrench set, the ultimate upgrade for tackling stubborn and hard-to-reach fasteners. With 9 torque sizes from T10 to T50, extra long reach, and a sliding 3-way design, you can switch from T-handle to L-shaped configurations for maximum leverage. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel, the treated tips provide a secure grip, while the free-spinning collars help you quickly remove and tighten fasteners with less effort. Plus, the included steel storage rack keeps every wrench organized and ready to go. For mechanics, DIYers, and serious tool enthusiasts, the Vise T-handle wrench set delivers reliable performance when you need it most. MAXMAN clamp bench vise, a heavy-duty workshop essential built to handle serious projects. Made from durable all-steel material with hardened jaws, it resists deformation under pressure and delivers reliable performance for years. Its 360-degree rotating head and 45-degree tilting design let you position your work from multiple angles with incredible flexibility. With a 3.2-inch jaw opening, 10 mounting holes, and protective rubber pads, it securely holds wood, metal parts, pipes, and more, while helping prevent scratches. Whether you're woodworking, repairing, or working in a professional shop, the MAXMAN clamp bench vise gives you the stability and control you need. Vise tubing bender pliers, a must-have tool for creating clean, precise bends without damaging your lines. Designed for 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8-inch tubing, these professional-grade pliers work with brass, copper, steel, and aluminum. The heavy-duty stamped steel and machined aluminum construction delivers reliable strength, while the replaceable, laser-engraved mandrels make switching between tubing sizes quick and easy. Whether you're working on brake lines, repairs, or custom projects, the Vise tubing bender pliers give you better control and accurate bends every time.